You don't have to answer these questions if you don't want to, but if you do choose the correct industries, you'll have different information that'll appear in your backend. So the backend is where the store manager can edit their online store. All right, now we're in our Ecwid seller control panel settings. Now, as you saw at the beginning of the video, we indicated that we were selling in Canadian dollars, and this is where that information was entered. There's so many things here that you can edit if you want to be able to change the way the numbers are shown, or have a conversion rate, or change the different weights and sizes from kilograms to pounds, for example. You can do all of that here. Go to regional settings. Now, as you saw at the beginning of the video, we indicated that we were selling in Canadian dollars, and this is where that information was entered. There's so many things here that you can edit if you want to be able to change the way the numbers are shown, or have a conversion rate, or change the different weights and sizes from kilograms to pounds, for example. You can do some automatic messages that are sent out thanks to Ecwid e-commerce, and you can check those out under the Mail tab. There's the order confirmation, order status, order shipped. Look at the Invoice tab. If you click on Preview Invoice, you'll see an example of what your invoices will look like for your customers. You can upload your logo if you'd like. You can add your tax identification information. You can also customize your invoice. And one thing that's super important to me is to always attach invoices to order confirmation emails. So if you'd like your customers to receive their invoices automatically, definitely enable this feature. Let's head over to payment. This is where you can set up your payment options. So by default, we have pay by cash, but I'm going to remove it. Let's imagine that we are 100% online. Ecwid is actually integrated with over 50 payment gateways once they start checking out in your online store. So I'm going to click on checkout, and here I can enter all my information and then click on continue. At that point, it'll offer me the automatic shipping calculations. I can choose what shipping method I'd like and then pay by pay. On edit site, and here you'll see that you have the ability to transform this page. Ecwid has a couple templates that they created for you by default if you'd like. I like the sunglasses default, so I'm going to take that picture. We can change the title and the description. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that you can change the background image. You can change it to a color, a gradient, a different image, or even a video. Ecwid also has a pick from gallery option, which allows you to choose from free photos online. You can change the fonts. You can change the size and the color of the button. And you can take off or add different information at the top of your site. For example, your directions, your phone number, and all that information. Customer testimonials are extremely important, so definitely try to get real testimonials from customers and add them here. You can add a whole bunch of them, and you can just set them up the way you would like. It's really cool. At the bottom of the page, you can add your business information. This is also really important for SEO and for Google to make sure that you have a legitimate business. If you have any social profiles, you can add them at the bottom of the page, and then they will show up at the top if you selected that option. You could always move your customer testimonials a little higher so they're closer to your online store because they're extremely important. Let's head over to our Ecwid e-commerce backend, and we're going to click on Design. This is where you can change the look of your online store, so the products themselves. Just select whatever options work for you and your online store and your specific business needs. You can set this up to match your branding and your preferences.